Good day, everyone. I am Shalome G. Castillo, and this is my report of the problem review, Advanced Mathematics, Day 17. So the problem was given to me is problem number 756. Find the Laplace transform of 2 over s plus 1 minus 4 over s plus 3. So first, let's have a definition about the Laplace, or what is Laplace transform. Laplace transform is the integral transform of the given derivative function with real variable t to convert into a complex function with variable s. So here's the formula. F of x is equal to the integral of f of t e raised to the power of negative st t prime approaches to 0 to infinity, where f of x is the Laplace transform, s is the complex number, t is the real number greater than or equal to 0, and the t prime is the first derivative of the function f of t. So this is the Laplace transform table. So as you can see here, there are types of Laplace formula. So now let's go to our problem. So first we have to integrate the given problem. So the integral of 2 over s plus 1 minus 4 over s plus 3 is equal to 2 integral of 1 over s plus 1 minus 4, the integral 1 over s plus 3. So using the formula at the Laplace transform table, we will gonna use the letter B. So the Laplace transform of this equation, 1 over s plus 1 is e raised to negative 80. So RE is 2 and RA is just, we don't have a value of A, so magdiretso ra siya og negative 80, and minus 4e raised to negative 3t. So that is the answer. 2e raised to negative t minus 4e raised to negative 3t. Thank you. That would be all.